Okay guys, before we begin with this video, make sure to check out the first link in the description if you want to have a link of this uncopylocked place right here in order to be able to edit it and grab everything you need. Okay guys, with that being said, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so welcome to this video right here, and in today's video we're gonna work on the arrow system, guys. And yeah, so let's get started by creating a tool inside of our starter pack right here. And I'm just gonna call this arrow, okay? And what we're gonna do in this video right here is that we are gonna create the very basic things of this arrow system, which is about clicking the tool and then changing your stand value to something random, okay? And within the next episodes, I'm gonna create the actual arrow. Then I'm gonna be creating some effects, such as an animation, some particles whatsoever. And then we're gonna combine everything after a couple of episodes. And then we have our finished product, okay? But yeah, just for the beginning, I'm gonna be using... Yeah, I'm gonna be doing the basic things right here. So for those purposes, I'm gonna disable requires handle, but we are gonna re-enable this later. Do not worry. But yeah, let's move on by creating a local script inside of our tool. And wait. Okay, yeah. And then let's do the following. So script parent activated connect function. So let me explain you what this means. So script is this script right here, okay? Dot parent. If you take a look inside of your properties tab, you can see that parent is arrow. So this thing right here. Now dot activated indicates that there is an event called activated, okay? And there is really an event called activated, which happens when you have equipped the tool and you have performed the left mouse button click. Okay, that's the reason why we want to do this. So basically, this code right here, so in line 2 for now, but in between this and this will run once the tool has been activated. So equipped and left mouse button click performed. And what happens then is that we are gonna hire server this remote event right here, and this will lead to, yeah, us receiving a new stand, okay? And yeah, let's do that. So game get service replicated storage wait for child stand controller hire server. And now I remember doing it this way, so having a table right here, and then, you know, just putting a bunch of things in here. So what role stand, and yeah, that's basically it. So let me explain this to you. Game get service replicated storage refers to this tab right here. Wait for child stand controller refers to this, okay? And then we want to fire server this remote event. And fire serving this one leads to a reaction of this script then, but we have to script it still. So the reaction, of course. And the thing is that we have to tell this script what is happening, okay? And in this case, we have this table right here, which is our only argument, which contains some values. In this case, what equals role stand. And this is going to be the information we want to pass onto the the server script, so that it knows what to do. Now wait, this wasn't this video series right here, right? Nah, I didn't do that here. Then forget about this. We're gonna be doing things like this, okay? So else if arc1 role stand, then okay. So this is our arc1 or argument 1. Now let's test this out by checking if this is being printed out right here instead of the output. If so, then it works fine. Okay, yeah, it does. That's good. Now the next thing we want to do is that we want to put a restriction to this arrow right here, and the restriction is that you should not possess a stand while trying to roll a new one. And I cannot really remember what I've done inside of this data store video, but we have seemed to forgot something, yeah. Save, change. Yeah, something is missing. Let's create a new bindable function right here and call this one get, okay? And then copy this, paste it in here. Call this get. And we can get rid of these parts. And then just return current data player.name. There we go. I hope that this works, actually. Let's see if it works. Local data, script parent, data store, get, invoke. Let's see if this works. I hope so. It does. Does it work? Didn't work. Attempt to index null with name. Oh yeah, because we did not pass the player. Let's pass the player right here, and then it should work. Now it works. Now it works. Okay. So, and data. Okay. Does this check work? Does work. At least it seems to work. Let me explain this to you. So what we've basically done is that we now have another bindable function, and this one is going to return the data of the player we have put as an argument right here once we invoke it. As you can see, return current data player name. So we index the data of the player by adding the player's name in here. So inside of this table right here. Okay, so as you guys know, this table holds all of the data of each player inside of the server. And yeah. Yeah, the restriction. So you should not possess a stand, otherwise you cannot use the arrow. Yeah, it works fine. There we go. So I'm gonna be doing the rest in the next episode, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this with all of your friends.